Artificial intelligence is changing our world. It's in our phones, making them smarter and more intuitive. From voice assistants that can answer our questions to apps that can predict our needs, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It's in our cars, making driving safer and more efficient with self-driving technology, and it's in our homes, where smart devices can control lighting, temperature, and even security systems with just a voice command. AI can now translate languages in real time, breaking down communication barriers across the globe. It can diagnose diseases with greater accuracy than ever before, revolutionizing the medical field. And it can drive cars, potentially reducing accidents and traffic congestion. But what if AI could read our thoughts? Imagine the possibilities if we could interact with technology using just our minds. This is no longer science fiction. The future is closer than we think. Scientists are developing technology that can tap into the human mind, allowing us to control devices and communicate in ways we never thought possible. This technology is still in its early stages, but the progress being made is astounding. However, it has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from how we interact with our environment to how we communicate with each other. Imagine a world where we can control devices with our minds, making our interactions with technology seamless and intuitive. We could communicate without speaking, sharing thoughts and ideas instantly. The possibilities are endless, and the future of AI is incredibly exciting.
Our brains produce electrical signals when we think. These signals are the result of neurons communicating with each other, creating a complex web of electrical activity that can be measured and analyzed. Scientists use techniques like EEG and fMRI to detect these signals. EEG measures electrical activity on the scalp, while fMRI detects changes in blood flow within the brain, providing a detailed map of brain activity. AI algorithms then analyze these signals to decode our thoughts. By processing vast amounts of data, these algorithms can identify patterns that correspond to specific mental states or cognitive processes. These algorithms learn to recognize patterns in brain activity. Through machine learning, they improve their accuracy over time, becoming better at interpreting the complex signals produced by our brains. These patterns correspond to different thoughts, emotions, and intentions. This technology is complex, involving sophisticated mathematical models and extensive computational resources. It requires advanced computing power and sophisticated algorithms. High-performance servers and specialized software are essential to handle the massive amounts of data generated by brain